Today we're going to be looking at taxes, tips, fees, and commissions, all using the percent proportion. Remember when I said if you learn the percent proportion, you could do just about anything? Well, this is the case. You can do just about anything. A shirt costs $19.99. The state sales tax is 7.5%. How much will the shirt cost including tax? So we set up our percent proportion. First thing I set up is the 7.5 over 100. Remember, the 100 will always be in the lower right, and the percent will be above it. Now we use the cost as our total amount or our whole amount that we're looking at. It's the original cost, and we're trying to figure out what part will that tax be. Well, once again, we'll get 100x equals, and we have to do 7.5 times 19.99. In this case, we get 149.925. Then we will divide that by 100. Sorry, it's going into the weird part right there. Divide by 100. And we get the tax on that shirt is $1.49.9, which makes it approximately $1.50 for the tax. Not $150. Make sure you put that decimal in there, $1.50. So we add that to the $19.99, and our total cost of our shirt will be $21.49. That's your total cost. Okay, the Smith family went to dinner. The bill was $75. Mrs. Smith wanted to leave a 20% tip because the service was good. How much money should Mrs. Smith leave for the tip? Okay, so this case it just wants to know the tip, not the total amount, but the tip. So I set up my proportion, and I'm going to put my 100 down here on the bottom right because that's where it goes. And it's 20 out of 100 because it's 20%. The bill was 75, and we're trying to figure out what part is 20%. So once again, we're going to do our cross multiplication. We'll get 100x equals 20 times 75, which is 1,500. Divide by 100, divide by 100. X equals, what's 1,500 divided by 100? How about 15? So she needs to leave a $15 tip. Okay? $15. It's a pretty good tip. All right, KUB charges a 5% late fee if its customers do not pay their bills on time. Nick received a bill for $300. He paid it late. How much will Nick have to pay, including the late fee? So we want to set up our percent proportion. And right here goes our 100. Always put our 100 there. 5% up top. We know our bill is $300, and we're trying to figure out what part is the fee. So we'll do our cross multiplication and get 100x equals 1,500. Divide by 100, divide by 100. So Nick will owe a $15 fee. Is that his total bill? No, we have to add the 300. So now Nick owes $315. Need to pay that bill on time, or else you have to pay a little extra. Now, this is something most people don't know about how real estate agents make their money. Every time a realtor sells a house, they receive a commission equal to 3% of the selling price of the house. If a realtor sold a $150,000 house, how much commission would, and that really should say he or she, earn? How much would that realtor earn? So if they're making 3% commission, we know it's 3 out of 100 equals, the price of the house was $150,000, and we're trying to figure out X. So that would be 100x equals 450,000, and then we're going to divide it by 100. Divided by 100. So what is 450,000 divided by 100? Well, she makes, or he makes, $4,500 in commission. And the other realtor, there's usually two realtors involved in that transaction, will also make $4,500. So that sounds pretty good as long as you're selling houses. So that's how you make commission.